Hello everyone. Let us see how we can implement test of similarity on different sums. So the first example is coming now. As you see the diagram, in the given figure we have angle ABC equals to 75 degree, angle EDC equals to 75 degree. Now I need to state which two triangles are similar and by which test. So we will also do similarity for these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. So first we will learn to see what are the corresponding vertices are there between the two given triangles. As you see in the figure, we have two different triangles. So one-to-one correspondence. First, corresponding C, vertex C corresponds to vertex C, vertex D corresponds to vertex B. As you see, both of them, they are 75 degrees, so they are corresponding to each other, and C is the common angle, so they are corresponding to each other. Therefore, the remaining two vertices will correspond to each other. Keeping this in mind, we get triangle CDE. Yellow triangle corresponds to triangle CBA. So these two triangles are having one-to-one correspondence between them. Once we know this, we can prove them similar. So in triangle CDE and triangle CBA, angle CDE equals to angle CBA. As you have seen, the each measure is 75 degree. Second point, angle DCE equals to angle BCA, common angle. So the two triangles required two pair of corresponding angles equal, then we can say the two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Clear? Let us see one more example. Here we need to find out whether the two triangles are similar or not. As you see, they have not marked the sides. They have not marked the sides with the identical sign, but they have given certain value to each side. They have not marked angle at all. So we need to find out whether these two triangles are similar or not. If they are similar, then we need to find out test of similarity. So we will take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. By observation, we can see that the ratio of the corresponding sides, because we are proving the two triangles similar, we don't need here to have the two corresponding angles congruent only. So first we find out the ratio of side AB upon PQ. So the values I am putting it there. We have done substitution. Now I am finding out the value of ratio of side AB upon PQ. So I got 2, as you can see, 3 one time and 3 two times. Similarly, we are going for corresponding sides ratio as BC upon QR. Again we have a value, so we'll find out the value of BC upon QR. We have substituted and we got the value as 2. Similarly, AC upon PR, the value got substituted and then we got here value as 2. You will find that all the three ratios having same value. That means AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AC upon PR have same value. So what we will get it here? The ratios are equal. As you know, when the two triangles having their corresponding ratios equal, the two triangles, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SSS, test of similarity. I hope both the concepts are clear to you.